A lot of this passion comes from the firefighters themselves. Everybody is so committed. We come from a long legacy of tradition. Tradition is very important to us.
Welcome back to Christina's Garage, Gearhead in Training. I'm at the Golden Gate Park in San Francisco. This truck right behind me has actually been rebuilt and dedicated to my dad, Gary Altenberg. He was a San Francisco Fire Department lieutenant, and I also worked for the fire department on the ambulance before I was injured and medically retired. Now that I've started to get back into cars, I'm learning a little bit more, and it's really cool that the San Francisco Firefighters toy program, this is the main vehicle to deliver toys. They're actually here today at the park giving away bikes and helmets to kids in the community. It's really great. So I really want to introduce you to Mike. He is in charge of the San Francisco Firefighters toy program, and this is his pride and joy.
Good morning, my name is Michael Guajardo. I am the director of the San Francisco Firefighters toy program, one of 3 charities run and operated by your San Francisco Firefighters Local 798. I have with me here the Altenberg toy truck. This is our flagship vehicle for our toy program, kind of our operating logo, our piece of history here. This is a 1952 Chevy pickup truck. This was actually one of 4 that the fire department had laying around and donated to the toy program. Initially, these were running the city streets of San Francisco, up and down the hills. It had a tank of water, it had a gas-powered pump, and it had a couple feet of hose. This was your fire engine. So let's have a look at it. You can see it's a step-side Chevy with the dualies. Now we take it out every season to our toy program benefit. We had some help with the stenciling. You can see that we love this truck. It might look like it's old on the outside, but you can see it is rock solid. But let's see what we did underneath the hood. With the help of Local 798, this old Chevy pickup truck got a new life. We put a couple of these together. We took the best of all of them, and then we put this LS motor in it, which was no easy feat. We had to modulate the computer, brand new master cylinder, get the brakes, disc brakes dialed in. This truck is very, very heavy. But with this engine, completely manageable. We had a whole new chassis built with our friend Dave Sherwin, our mechanic. We appreciate his efforts with the toy program.
What are your future plans? Because you mentioned that there are more things you want to do with the truck.
Yes. Well, of course, as beautiful as it is, it wouldn't be a modern hot rod if we didn't logo it out a little bit. So we're going to work on our stenciling here. We're going to put some more Local 798 logo lettering. We will have the title of the truck right here, Altenberg. Thank you, Gary, for your service. You'll see us out there. If you look for our red barrels, toy season's coming up. Our toy program, 100% donation driven. So anything you can do to support us, we would love it. And we turn everything back to give toys to the kids of San Francisco, usually during the holidays when mom and dad need the help the most. You would be surprised. Today we are in Golden Gate Park and we are giving away to kids who need it these beautiful donated bicycle helmets. And as you can see, they're a hit. So anything that you can do helps us help other people, and basically that is the spirit of the fire department. That's what we're all about.
And I'm hoping to be able to meet up with you more to maybe get hands-on with some of the stuff that you were talking about on the truck.
Yeah.
Also, already started talking about it, but I'm going to be finishing my 69 Camaro, the one that my dad had purchased for us to build together.
Awesome.
And I want to, by fall 2026, to be able to park it next to the Altenberg and collect toys.
That would be awesome. That would be awesome. A lot of this passion comes from the firefighters themselves. Everybody is so committed. We come from a long legacy of tradition. Tradition is very important to us, even not the great ones, but still traditions matter. So a lot of this work was done by our Firefighters Car Club. So we can thank those guys. They're always out there pitching in, wrenching on us, giving us the latest products to polish up with. We are having a car show on November 30th at our Union Hall, 325 New Hall. Laugh-A-Lot's Car Club is going to bring all their hot rods out. It's going to be a beautiful day. Hopefully one day You will be out there with us. I look very much forward to that.
I'm excited. So if you guys want to follow along, make sure you subscribe, set on your alerts, and follow. I'm going to put all of their information for the toy program as well as the San Francisco, the car club, so that you guys can follow along, support them if you want, and make sure you stay tuned because this whole next year, there's going to be a lot of stuff to ramp up to be able to park my car next to this next year.
Getting there.
Yep, exactly. So thank you guys so much, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.